Equal choice, 27549. EP Blake, let's do this thing. Here we go. Silver, Pentacore, we are giving away. Oh no, everyone was just for sale at this one. Cool. Okay, gotcha. Dan Burns, Sam Moresby, Facundo Buonanotte. And that is number 30. And Liam Delap for Ipswich Town. Auto. Trent Alexander-Arnold, unnumbered. Nick Pope, red, white, and blue. Liam Delap, red, white, and blue. This break is dilapidated. Oh, Sakura, Silva Kovacic, Silva Madroy, Pereira, and Samuel Amior for Southampton. That is numbered to just 20, 220. Alex Scott for Bournemouth penmanship. Not too bad, Causa. How's yours? Etse unnumbered. Diallo for Man United, and Adama Traore for Fulham. That is EPL choice in 519.